When you open the door to the new Commodore, your mind opens too. When you get behind the wheel, you'll know why. Technology, luxury, quality, goosebumps.
Years in the making. Over 3.3 million kilometres of testing. That's over 2 million miles if you're in America.
Which we are. Shipped to the States, your new Commodore becomes our new top-of-the-line Chevrolet sedan. I guess now, there's another lucky country.
The most refined Commodore ever leaves the outside world outside.
There's technology that you can talk to. Siri, text Anna.
I'll meet you out front.
A rockstar park's never been easier.
The most advanced car ever created in this country. Redesigned, refined, remarkable. The car that's always turned heads now changes minds.